of our sweet notes, which was retitled Many Teachings on Pure Bhakti, it says, surrender like breathing goes on and on. Surrender like breathing goes on and on. So it's a never-ending process. Step 1 of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Guru Pad Ashraya. Dante Trinad Chaitanya Chandra Dayanataka. Dante Trinad, straw between the teeth. Sanatana Goswami, Madhya Lila, surrendering at the feet of Mahaprabhu. Kiyami tapatrai, Kiyami. Who am I? I'm suffering the threefold miseries, adi bhautika, adi daivika, adi klesha. Please tell me who I am. You surrender. That's the beginning, step 1. And then the next step, so surrender to the Guru. Next thing is surrender to his teachings, surrender to take diksha, surrender to seva, surrender. So many steps of surrender. The journey to Krishna is an endless journey of steps of surrender. It's not endless, it has an end. So the gap is the distance between Kanishta, not Kanishta. The gap is the distance between Anartha, Nivritti and Prema. It's ongoing. I told you repeatedly, along with that I said that these two things are synonymous. They're two sides of one coin. You know, coin, heads and tails. Bhakti and Sharanagati. No, Shraddha and Sharanagati. The coin is the Bhakti coin. Like the Paisa coin, the ruble coin, the dollar coin or whatever. The coin, the medium of currency. The medium of currency. Jai Ho Vasudevji. Radhe Radhe. I guess some prasad to that floor. Get up and go. Radha. So the analogy here is the means of currency. We have a coin, a gold coin, a silver coin, a copper coin. So the analogy is bhakti. Bhakti is like the currency. Currency means the money, the rubles, the rupees, the dollars, the currency, the money. It's the means. So bhakti is the means. Bhakti is the means or the way to purchase Krishna. And like that coin, if you have a coin, 1 rupees or 5 rupee coin, it has heads and tails. So the two sides of the bhakti coin are Shraddha and Sharanagati. Faith and surrender. More faith, more surrender. More surrender, more faith. So as I mentioned often many times, in a famous class in Mayapur by one ISKCON sannyasi, you may recollect what I say. He said, this is the annual festival, there's several thousand devotees here, and so we finished our class, and we will take questions. So we will take any question any devotees have from around the world, the sannyasi told. We'll take any questions, but we will not entertain any how-to questions. How to be sincere, how to surrender, how to increase your faith, how to be determined. Because in every case, the answer is chant.